So we added a camera to this machine to take pictures of our slabs. So on the screen you see we have the little camera button here. Let's walk to the back side of the machine. I want to show you what this camera is. So as you can see, we've got the camera attached to the back side of the machine. It's going to take 4 pictures of this slab. So it operates in 4 quadrants, and then it blends the pictures together. Let's go do that process real quick. So I'm going to hit the little camera button. The machine's going to go and take 4 pictures of the slab. Okay, picture 1, that's going to go to picture 2, and so on and so forth. There's 2 ways to use the camera. So one, we already have drawn our stuff in AlphaCam, we've imported it over. So if we open up our ISO folder that we sent over to the machine, I can turn on my slab, boom, and now you can see your parts in here. If you click A/R, you can drag this into position and get it positioned onto the slab however you want it, and then you would just click start, and it's going to cut exactly wherever that is. So the other option is if you wanted to manipulate these pieces individually and place them on the slab. So there's a feature on the saw, which is on all the newer machines, called DXF processing. So I've shown you how to load an ISO file and manipulate your camera. Let's show you the other way. So DXF processing is an onboard control. So if we click F7, then we go to DXF processing. So there is our table dimension. Let's go ahead and load our slab with F6. And now we can drag these pieces in. So we've got some that John loaded in here. So we can literally click and kind of manipulate these however we want. Click, drag, click, drag. If you wanted to rotate a part, let's load this one in. So like this part, if we wanted to rotate it, we can rotate it around. We can also move it up by a certain amount. So like at the top it says step. Then you can use these arrows and you can move it by however much you want. So this one, we're going to have to, oh, too much. Ha, there we go. Alright, we can just drag and drop this just for show. So there's that. You can kind of like manipulate this however you'd like. John had it done better just a second ago, but this is just for demonstration. So these are individual DXF files that you're going to bring in from like either AlphaCam or your ProLiner or Laser Templater. You're going to import them directly into the saw. To load them, you would click F9, navigate to wherever your DXF files are. So like we have them here, then you just click OK, boom, it's going to bring them in, and then there's all your files, drag them, drop them, and proceed. So if you needed to zoom in on something, click the hand and you can pan around. You can zoom in and you can really get in here, turn the hand off, and you can click on these and drag them as close to the edge as you'd like. You're done, hit the red X. F5 is for zoom all. Now, if we wanted to do special things, hit the black arrow. You can change your cut directions in here. So, I don't know if you can see that, but they have little red arrows for the direction of the cut. So if I click on those, you can see I can flip those around to any which way. If you want to see your cuts, hit F7, and you can see the green lines. Those are your cut lines, so you can see kind of what it's going to do in there. Zoom in here, pan around. So there's automatic collision detection in here, so it's actually applying plunge cuts there and there. So down here it sees like, okay, I've got plenty of room, I'm going to extend those cuts. If you wanted to extend your cuts, hit the arrow, come into this one here, F13, set your distance. So like let's say I want to extend it by 10 inches. If I click on this line and I say extend by quantity, so now it should, oop, I think I got click happy. Let's go that one and that one. There we go. So there's like a 10-inch extension. to click on that, and there we go. So now you can see we've extended that. You can save your program here. So this is the program out here, and we're saving it to the PC. This one is we're importing a program into our working area here. If we were all done, you are just going to hit the green check mark, and it's going to generate an ISO file, import your class. You can still move these things around if you wanted with A/R, but at this point you would hit start, let it cut the cutback. So anyways, alright guys, thanks for watching. That is a camera that we've added on to a Sasso K600. I hope you enjoyed. Alright, thanks for watching.